are pleased to show you the 2019 Chevrolet Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they're supposed to do. Allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, MP3 playback stereo, trip computer, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.